To get wind flow simulations of your CFD, first open up your Autodesk CFD, click Browse and choose your file, preferably in SAT. You can put SKP in it, but SAT is more recommended. With the name, click Model Diagnostic, you wait. After the model loaded in, check for any mistakes or missing elements. If clear, proceed and transfer to setup. Once inside of the simulation, merge all edges that needed to be merged. Remove any, if any, small objects or small edges surfaces. If you want to use external volume, shut off the output bar. Give the model breathing space so the wind flow will not rebound and obstruct with the readings of the wind tunnel. Do it for all of the four sides and also the top. The bottom, if you use CFD that is not planted to the ground. Choose the Z angle if you want to rotate the angle of the wind tunnel. If not, create. When it's created, close it, assign for materials, outline it, edit for materials, what is fluid, choose air. The rest, you can individually edit them. If not, edit to solid, concrete, or whatever you desire. Then for the boundary conditions, click the boundary conditions, determine the start or the origin of the wind, for example, this side, click the surface, make sure it's red, edit velocity, input your velocity, for example, 2.5 to 2.5 meters a second, apply, and then on the other side of the bounding box, click it, make sure it's the only selected surface, edit, pressure 0 pascal, apply, then click solve. Iterations, the lower, the faster the simulation, the less accurate it will be. For the simulation, I'm going to use 20. Physics, don't have to edit anything because there's no temperature. Click solve and you wait. Wait until the iteration number goes to the number you assigned it. Once it shows analysis completed successfully, put out the output bar, right click units, make sure it's the one that you desire, meters a second in this case. You put planes, click add, you adjust with the gimbal. You may use vertical section or use plan, adjust the height. You can take screenshots here, or you can put vectors in, velocity vector, adjust the length and the density of the arrows or the vectors. Close it. See it from the top, take another screenshot. Or maybe if you want, you can do something like this. Put it to the front. You can go to traces. Seed density can be 2, so it doesn't overcrowd. Click add. Just enough. And then you can see the traces of the winds coming through the building or into the building. You can change position of the wire mesh. You can increase the density by lowering the number of seed density. You can animate it even like that. Close it. You can remove it and redo it again if you would want to. For example, something like this. If I want to see it from the top, I can just click top and I can see the wind flow through the building. Can even animate it. So for the simulation, thank you very much.